Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. You're angling with Adria, and today we are offshore, about 45 miles or so offshore, and we came to scout a red snapper spot. Red snapper opens tomorrow all the way through Sunday, so we're just gonna scout this spot a second, see what else we get. Alex just got a fire truck, so he's 30 on the slow pitch jig, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get set up. He wants to show it again. And so we're just gonna go ahead and set up, and we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, we're ready for tomorrow. They're out here, you guys. They're out here. Nice little, probably like 5-8 pounder. All right, got it off a nice little bottom jig there, weighted jig. He had no bait on it, just one of those teasers. Comes with it. My rod going down deep, and I'm gonna just cast definitely give me a lot of head shakes here, so thanks Alex for helping me out. Alright, let's see if I hold the record, you guys. The record on the boat is 32 and Alex actually has the record. Oh man, he's 31. Almost 31. So 30 and a half. 30 and a half, guys. Yeah, thank you. Very cool. Very cool, very cool. Very excited about that. It's tiring. It's definitely tiring. open until tomorrow. Yep. Oh. He's digging down. Oh, he's going. Head shake. What I think. Now I'm gonna have to fight him. I'm taking it over the next. Oh yeah. Red grouper, guys, I gotta let me go. I got it. You got one as well? Alright, I switched from my thread herring to a squid because I'm done fighting these grouper for now. Oh, got a bite. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, this is a snapper. Let's see what's mine. Good, very good. And he wants to eat my weight and everything. They're little over here because we're not on the spot itself, but nice little red snapper. Let's pop his tongue there so he can survive. Check that out, guys. Red snapper. Also inflated there, so sense it there. Another one. So basically what happens here, guys, is nobody fishes anymore when the free line goes off because the fish could basically take you all around the boat and you need the space. So right now, Alex is fighting him. It looks like he's coming up and we'll see what he is. Red cares? Met our red grouper early, scouted for our red snapper for this week and the rest of the weekend. We found them, we found monsters. As you saw in this video, Alex was slow pitch jigging and caught a really nice one on his jig. So as for me, I just kept it bottom fishing and free lining. I got hit on all of that. Pulled up some fire trucks which were pretty heavy. I haven't done this in a while way out here, so they were heavy. But it was a good day. I mean, right, Alex? Really good day. He really got to test his slow pitch jigging, and it actually worked out. He got 2 fish on one jig, 2 different species, amberjack and kingfish, which were like amazing because we haven't experienced that yet. So it was pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure he had a good time with me today. I'm pretty sure you guys also enjoyed this video, and if you did, please show me by liking this video, clicking the bell to let you guys know when I upload a video and get the notifications. And also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. I have much new content coming for you guys. Also, please request whatever you guys would like for me to do, whether it's tying lines or jigs together or just talking about any rod jig reels. Let me know. Again, guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned as always. Catch you guys later.